For each scenario, choose the best statement. A boxer loses 3 pounds and then gains 3 pounds. So the boxer is above his starting weight? No, because if you lose 3 pounds and then gain 3 pounds, you're back to where you were. So we're talking about, is this a net positive change, negative change, or net zero change? Think about it. If you go down by 3 pounds and then up by 3 pounds, is the equivalent of a negative 3 combined with the positive 3, which is 0. So the boxer is 0 pounds from his starting weight, meaning he's right back where he started. A roller coaster goes up 30 feet and then down 30 feet. Where are we at? We're again at 0, so there's no change. The roller coaster is at its initial height. You spend $18, so we're losing 18, and then you are paid nothing. So we're at negative 18. We're at a negative value, which means you have less money than you started with because we've lost money. Let's go on to the next one here. A football team gains 5 yards, positive 5, and then loses 2 yards. We have a net positive change of positive 3. So the team must be ahead of its original position. A bird flies down 20 feet and then up 20 feet. Net positive change of 0, meaning the bird is 0 feet from its initial height. It's still at the initial height. And last, the price of a stock increases by 17 and then decreases by 17. Net change of 0. Stock's price is the same as it started. Last one, a roller coaster goes up 10 feet, positive 10, and then down 20 feet. We're at a net loss of 10 feet or negative 10. So the roller coaster is below its initial height. The temperature drops 6 degrees and then rises 9 degrees. Negative 6 plus 9 is positive 3. So it's higher than its original value. And the company loses 16 employees and then gains 16 employees with the net change of 0, meaning the overall change in the company size is 0.